Hey, people of the internet. So, one of the biggest questions, at least with this headset right here, is the Corsair HS65, is like, how is the overall mic quality? So, if you're browsing for this item, you probably want to know like how good of mic quality is, not only for gaming, but like, say you're a content creator and you also want to like, I don't know, like create content on the internet, like I'm doing right here. So, for this video, this is going to be 100% unedited audio. The only adjustments I've made to this mic so far is just adjusting the overall like volume levels. So my quiet sounds like still are picked up by the mic, and my really loud sounds are sort of like capped at a certain decibel size. So this whole video is just a straight up mic test for you, the consumer, to decide if you think this mic quality is suffice for you. If we're asking my personal opinion, I'd say yes. I'd say it comes out crystal clear. It sounds really rich. It sounds like I'm talking right into the microphone. It doesn't sound distant at all. And I think it's a good mix of like clear highs, which also combined with some like good low vocals makes for a good overall mic. And I think you could honestly use this for a podcast if you really wanted to. If you were wanting to start a podcast and you didn't have a USB microphone, I think this is a great alternative for you. So listen to my voice. I'm speaking at a normal volume in my room right here. As you can see, like the noise suppression on this microphone is fantastic as well. You can't really hear outside voices at all. I do have a slight noise suppression adjustment added in OBS where I'm recording this. However, the default amount of noise suppression on this microphone is outstanding. And I think you guys should go pick up this microphone right now because, in my opinion, a headset like this with a microphone like this, it's a fantastic combination. And everyone wants to know how mic qualities are on gaming headsets, even though I wouldn't even consider this a full gaming headset based on the design, which is fantastic as well. So if you enjoyed this video, go pick up the headset. The mic's awesome. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching another video on my channel. If you're interested, click over here to subscribe to the channel and click over here for another amazing tech video review / tutorial. And yeah, thanks so much for checking out the channel. Appreciate all you guys. See you in the next video.